Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by inserting a loop component into an email or reply. This makes content editable for everyone. First, open Outlook and place your cursor where collaboration should occur. Then click the loop icon or go to Insert and select Loop Component to reveal options. Choose Table, Task, Paragraph, or Checklist based on your goal, and name it briefly so others know purpose. Once done, add an initial line or two to seed the content, and send the message so collaborators can join. Now you focus on real-time collaboration and control. Mention teammates with that to alert them and drive attention to specific items. Make edits directly in the loop component. Changes sync automatically, so avoid duplicating work. Use comments to explain why you changed a row or sentence, and add short version cues if a section needs review. For task lists, assign owners and due dates inside the task component so responsibilities are explicit. Make sure to check the activity feed to follow who edited what. To complete the workflow, finalize the loop content and decide whether it stays live or moves into a static document. If you want a snapshot, copy content into Word or OneNote, otherwise leave it as a live loop so updates continue. Adjust sharing permissions so collaborators have edit or view access. If people report missing updates, first refresh the message and confirm they're signed in. Next, sign out and back in and verify network connectivity. If problems persist, reinsert the component or resend the link to restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.